Let's see this question asked in the year 1997 for 5 marks. The question is, let fx is equal to maximum of x square, 1 minus x whole square, 2x 1 minus x, where 0 to 1 lies x. Determine the area of the region bounded by the curves y is equal to fx, x axis x is equal to 0, x is equal to 1. For this type of a question, first let me draw the curves, because only after drawing the curves we get the picture more clear. So what I am going to do is I am going to draw the Cartesian plane roughly very much, just in order to make you understand. So this will be the origin. Now what should be the graph curves like? We have x square. So y is equal to x square is your one curve. So y is equal to x square will be somewhat like this, right? Then what do we have? We have y is equal to 1 minus x whole square. So 1 minus x whole square should be somewhat like this, right? That how I have drawn. For me it is a purpose of practice. I have a practice of just judging the curves and drawing them. But what do you have to do is, you have to just simply plot a table and just put the values and get the curve like that. Next is 2x 1 minus x. So 2x 1 minus x should be something like this. Very rough, okay. Now let's see what it should be like. These are the different curves. This is y is equal to 2x 1 minus x. This is your y is equal to x square, and this one is probably what? This one is y is equal to 1 minus x whole square. So y is equal to 1 minus x whole square. Now what do I do? Now first of all, what should be this point I need to know? Then what are these points of intersection I need to know? Means this point of intersection and this point of intersection. If this is A, this is B. What should be these point of intersection I know? So I write solution and let's not worry, just start solving it. So basically, as you can see, this is the curve y is equal to 2x 1 minus x, and this is the curve y is equal to 1 minus x whole square. In order to obtain A, you are going to get the points of intersection between these two curves, right? So you can write A x comma y is obtained by finding what? By finding points of intersection, of y is equal to 2x 1 minus x and y is equal to 1 minus x whole square, right? So let's compare these. So it becomes 2x minus 2x square is equal to 1 plus x square minus 2x. Now see, 2x and minus 2x becomes 4x. Minus 2x square minus x square becomes minus 3x square, minus 1 is equal to 0. Let me again solve it. 3x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Upon splitting the middle term, I get what I have written. 3x gives me common, x minus 1 inside, minus 1, x minus 1 inside is equal to 0. So what is my answer like? It is x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 3. So these are the two answers, that either x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 by 3. What is the point of intersection I need to see? So here it is 0, this is 1, so this cannot be 1. This should be 1 by 3 at x, right? So you have done this. Similarly, you have to find out the point of intersection of x square, which is this thing, and 2x 1 minus x in order to get B. And by symmetry you can say, or upon solving, you would be getting this as 2 by 3. That is for sure. I am not explaining you the whole thing. So what I need to tell is, first of all, you are going to find out the points of intersection A and B. Now you are supposed to find out the area of the region bounded. Means you have to find out the area of the region bounded considering the condition of maxima. So see, from 0 to 1 by 3, what is maximum? This upper curve is maximum. And which is this upper curve like? 2x 1 minus x, right? Now from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, you have to see which is maximum. Okay, one mistake I told you, that in 0 to 1 by 3, which is maximum? Maximum means the highest. So which is maximum? This is maximum and this is 1 minus x whole square. Now from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, which is maximum? 2x, 1 minus x. Next, from 2 by 3 to 1, which is maximum? You see this is maximum. So, it is x square, y is equal to x square. When you know the maximums, you can directly find out the area of the region. So, let me write it. Area of the region is what? Area of the region is obtained as from 0 to 1 by 3. From 0 to 1 by 3, I know what is there. I know which is maximum. I know this upper curve is maximum and this upper curve is 1 minus x whole square. So, it should be 1 minus x whole square dx plus from 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, which is maximum. From 1 by 3 to 2 by 3, 2x 1 minus x is maximum. So, 2x 1 minus x dx. From 2 by 3 to 1, which is maximum. From 2 by 3 to 1, x square is maximum. So, x square dx. Now, what should be the answer like? The answer will be obtained when you evaluate the integral and just put the limits. So, this should be 1 whose integration gives me x, then plus x square whose integration gives me x cubed by 3, then minus 2x whose integration gives me minus 2x square by 2, and then you have to put the limits from 0 to 1 by 3. Similarly, here 2x integration is x square minus 2x square integration is 2x cubed by 3, putting the limits 1 by 3 to 2 by 3. Last but not the least, here it should be x cubed by 3. So, plus x cubed by 3, 2 by 3 to 1. Now, what should be the answer? Simply put the upper limit and the lower limit and obtain the answer as 17 by 27 square units. How has this been obtained? Just by simple calculation. So, calculation has to be done by you, but how to do the question would be explained by me, and I hope you have understood this problem.